the next award is the prestigious winner for excellence in asset management and maintenance, and the award goes to Messrs. Bahwan CyberTek Pvt.
Bahwan CyberTek is a global provider of digital transformation solutions and has been awarded a contract to build the common asset management system for Mumbai Metro Line 3 by the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited, the nodal agency responsible for the implementation of MMLL3 project in India. The CAM solution will help MMRCL manage different types of assets such as rolling stock, track, power supply system, traction systems, etc.
Very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, let me thank Rail Analysis for recognizing us in this forum where it's full of rail professionals. That is the key, because we get recognized in many places, technology related and things like that, in a place where the domain experts are. To showcase is very good. Thank you very much for that, and my hearty congratulations to all the winners. I think all of us should pat ourselves that we are doing a job which is worthy of recognition. In fact, at Bahwan CyberTek, one of the key areas, while IT normally looks like an enabler, the digitalization actually helps in improving the efficiency levels of whatever railways are doing. Safety is also an important factor, and operations, the maintenance. So these are aspects where we help, and more important, when it is safe for all the stakeholders, and when it's also, when the efficiency improves, everything that they experience in the train travel will be very good. So in that, we are playing a small role, but definitely, and our partners are here, our OEM partners, IBM is here. We all work together and make this experience worthwhile. So thank you very much again for this recognition. Thank you.